Having crappy music during your summer in the yard or with your friends is inexcusable, especially with these speakers. What's up everybody, this is Scott. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I want to do a bit of a roundup on making your backyard barbecues, family get-togethers, or just listening to your favorite music better by giving you some of the best options out there when it comes to great outdoor speakers. Now these speakers are in no particular order at all in terms of favoritism, but rather by price point. All the items that I have mentioned are linked below, and so let's just talk about those speakers. And before somebody in the comments says, like, what about Bose or JBL? These speakers give those a run for their money, and in some cases cost less than the brands that you might be familiar with. My job is actually just show you some of the brands that you may have never heard of, but produce amazing product. The first one up is the Tribit X Sound Go, and it comes in at an astonishing $37. Now it's larger than the Micro, which I'm about to talk about, but still has a small enough footprint to fit on a blanket or a patio. And the X Sound is shockingly loud for its size, but it doesn't have that crappy tingy noise or anything like that. The bass is nice and boomy for its size. It's got clear mids and perfect highs. It has clear mids and highs to make it a perfect companion for the summer. And the best part is it comes in at less than that $50, so it comes in on that $37 price point. For $37, you're going to get 24 hours of playtime and is IPX7 waterproof. So that means if you're around the pool, they pretty much got you covered. The next one after that is another Tribit. This is the Stormbox Micro. Now this is one I've actually talked about before on this particular channel, and this little guy is stellar in every way. IP67 waterproof and dustproof rating means it's ultra rugged and it's ideal for outdoor adventures, or if you're like me, the outdoor adventure is mowing the lawn. The Stormbox Micro comes with a strap that can be used for biking or strapping it to your backpack and has a massive 8 hours of battery life for playtime with a USB-C charging port, which I really like. And right now this guy on Amazon is going to run you, again, less than $50 at $49. Next up is the Ultimate Ears Wonderboom 2, which comes in at less than $100, right at the $99 price point. Now, this Wonderboom 2 is an ultra-portable Bluetooth speaker with a surprisingly big sound that's nice and crisp and bassy. It has 360 sound because it's roughly the size of a softball, and it gets whoa loud for its particular size. Now, this little guy comes with a massive 13 hours of battery life and is also IP67 rated, which means water, dustproof, and it actually floats in a pool, and you can submerge this little guy in 3 feet of water for up to 30 minutes. Now you can scoop up one of these right now on Amazon for, again, that $99 price point. So you have a lot of great choices for $100 or less to already get you started. What about some of those that come in a little bit over the $100 price point? The first one up there is the Abram Tech M8. And I gotta be honest, I was stunned at how good this little speaker was and how amazing that it looks. It's got this cool retro looking feel that has big bass boost, a microphone input for when you want to break out into those karaoke moments, and USB ports as well. It gets very loud for its size, but it doesn't get muddied up at all. It puts out about 100 decibels of sound, comes with USB-C charging, and has the ability to be used for 7 hours at 75% of the volume, which I'll be honest is plenty. Now this little speaker comes in at just $129 on Amazon, and you can go check it out right now. Links in the description below. Another one from Ultimate Ears is the Hyperboom. The Hyperboom is the biggest speaker that they offer, which provides a lot of amazing sound with precise woofers and tweeters. I loved the sound that came out of this speaker. You guys know that I absolutely love outdoor speakers. I've done reviews of videos on the Soundbox 3, which is another fantastic speaker for outside. However, the price point of that one is almost $1,000. This is really where the Hyperboom came in really nice, because it's a little bit less, very easy to carry, roughly about the size of a very small bag that you would carry around with you. Comes with a strap on the side as well. And I really love the way that it looked just on an outside table. This thing comes in with awesome dynamic range, adaptive EQ, and you can tune this thing to either a patio, a rooftop, or even yards as well. It's got IPX4 splash proof and has 24 hours of battery life depending on how loud and bassy you like to make your music. Basically, you have a full day even when you're jamming at like the highest of high volume, so you don't have to worry about that at all. Now, I mentioned the Soundbox was $1,000, so this guy comes in currently at $399. I absolutely love it, even though it's not the cheapest in comparison to some of the other ones. But in comparison to some of the other players in the space, especially something like a Soundbox, this is way more approachable in terms of the price point. So there you go. You have multiple speakers to choose from for multiple different price points, all coming with their own unique, amazing sound. I gotta be honest, there's a ton of great choices out there. You can go to Amazon and search any of these for great speakers at the price point. Don't get deterred if you've never heard of some of the names, because there's a lot of great music speakers out there today. So that's it. That's all I have. As always, like, share, subscribe, thumbs up, leave a comment below, and we'll see you next time.